Did you know that in 2025, making money online has never been easier? With AI, automation, and crypto booming, there are more ways than ever to earn from home. Whether you want passive income, active side hustles, or a full-time online career, the internet has it all. Today, I'm breaking down the best ways to make money online in 2025, and some of these methods could change your life. So stick around until the end because we're covering the most profitable opportunities that anyone can start today. 1. AI and automation-based income. AI is revolutionizing how we work, and it's creating massive earning opportunities. Here's how you can profit from AI. I can now create videos, blogs, social media posts, and even books. Instead of spending hours making content, you can automate it. 1. YouTubeAutomation. Create faceless videos using AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and stock footage. Channels are doing this right now. 2. AI writing. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can write blog posts, ebooks, and social media captions that you can sell. 3. AI graphic design. Platforms like Canva AI or Midjourney help you create stunning images and logos to sell on Fiverr or Etsy. Did you know that AI bots can trade crypto and stocks for you? These bots analyze market trends and execute trades automatically. You can use platforms like Bybit to run trading bots and earn profits even while you sleep. The key is setting the right entry and exit points to minimize risk and maximize gains. AI can help you make money on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Here are some high-demand AI services you can sell. AI-generated logos and designs, AI-written resumes and cover letters, AI-generated music or voiceovers. The best part? You don't even need to be an expert. AI does most of the work for you. 2. Crypto and trading. Crypto is still one of the most exciting ways to make money online. While prices may rise and fall, the opportunities remain strong. Futures trading. Futures trading allows you to profit even when the market goes down. Platforms like Bybit let you trade with leverage, meaning you can control a large position with a small investment. However, risk management is key. Always set stop-loss limits. Arbitrage trading. This is where you buy crypto from one exchange at a lower price and sell it on another exchange at a higher price. AI bots can automate this and make quick profits for you. Yield farming and staking. If you don't want to trade actively, you can stake your crypto to earn passive income. Platforms like Binance and KuCoin offer staking rewards just for holding your crypto. Whether you want high-risk, high-reward trading or passive income from staking, crypto has a way to make you money. 3. Content creation and monetization. The creator economy is bigger than ever. If you love making videos, writing, or even gaming, you can monetize your content online. YouTubeAutomation, you don't need to show your face. AI can create faceless videos for you. Monetization comes from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Gaming and streaming. If you love gaming, start a YouTube or Twitch channel. You can earn money from ad revenue, memberships, donations, and brand deals. The key is playing trending games and engaging with your audience. Affiliate marketing. Promote products from ClickBank, Amazon, or fitness brands on YouTube, Instagram, or Threads. Every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. Content creation is one of the most fun and scalable ways to make money online. 4. E-commerce and digital products. Selling products online is easier than ever. You don't even need inventory. Print-on-demand. You can design custom t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies and sell them online using platforms like Printify or Teespring. When someone orders, the company prints and ships it for you. No inventory needed. Selling digital products. Sell TradingSignals, AI art, Notion templates, or ebooks online. Once created, digital products generate passive income. You make money while you sleep. Dropshipping. Start an online store without holding products. When someone orders, your supplier ships it for you. Shopify and WooCommerce make this process simple. E-commerce is a great way to earn long-term income with little upfront investment. 5. Tech and freelancing. If you have tech skills, you can make serious money online. Software development. Build and sell AI trading bots, automation tools, or mobile apps. Many businesses pay thousands for automation that saves them time. Freelance work offers services like crypto trading analysis, automation scripts, or AI content writing. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer connect you with global clients. Mobile app development. Develop a crypto trading signals app or finance tools. Monetize it through subscriptions or in-app purchases. Tech skills are more valuable than ever. If you have them, use them to make money. In 2025, there are more ways than ever to make money online. Whether it's AI, crypto, content creation, or freelancing, the opportunities are endless. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more amazing ways to earn online.